to RCHacker. Now I've got another flight of the mini tricopter, but I've done some got some good fat shark hair there. I've done some modifications to my diversity system, so I've got a little on-screen display. So I'll just do a quick flight test and we'll let's go. Okay, and we're flying now. You can see the two columns there. That's both my. I've only got a dual system here, but it's got the RSSI signal for each receiver, and the bar that's in bold is the one that's active. So if I turn, there we go. It should change. Brilliant. Now it does flick on and off a little bit. I've got a few bugs to work out, but yeah, she's working alright. Alright. And you can see I've also been messing around with the graphics and put my logo there on the on-screen display. That's just a bit of muck around. Probably do that as a splash screen when the thing boots up or something like that. However, when I do have a low video signal, when the video starts getting a bit scratchy, it seems the on-screen display competes with it and completely sort of wipes it out, so you end up with, rather than it failing nicely, it fails much worse. But at least I know now I can fly around and actually see that my diversity system's working. Let's fly up behind this tree a bit. Yeah, the way that cuts out is not good at all. I really don't think this Maxim chip is suitable for it. It needs a good, clean video signal in order to do its thing properly. So I'm thinking this might not be the way to go. I might just do it all audible feedback from the actual ground station. That'll reduce cost as well, because these little chipsets, they're almost $17 each. Interesting to note that on Hobby King they had the Minimo SD there, and it was, I can't remember the price, but it was pretty cheap. That's gone now. It's nowhere to be found. Either DIY Drones got a bit peeved off with it all and got them to remove it, or they just weren't making any money on it. Alright, so let's go on. I've got to have a bit of a practice with my sidewinding. Way. Alright, this video setup, nah, not really working at all. I'm gonna have to go back to normal. When I've got good signal, it's fine, but if I don't have good signal, it's just terrible. Let's have a good look over there. There we go. I'm in the danger zone now. See, it switches around quite fast. I'm going to have a bit of rate flying. Now the values on those bars is actually, it's still good for a bit of video signal when it's down at 0. That's how it's got it set, so you can see them moving around quite a lot. Full bars is like full signal, and that's, you know, about 3/4. Yeah, I think I've got a conflict somewhere between my my OSD chip and my output for the video. Oh, I've got a weird noise there. Let's turn the auto level back on. Yeah, I'm right behind that tree there. So the concept is there, but there you go. The concept is there, but yeah, it's nah, it doesn't work that great, I have to say. Right, just want to get it. Yeah, so I think once your video signal comes out of your transmitter, you want to muck around with it as little as possible. Like I've got those purposely built video switches that I'm going to be using on the diversity board, and they're specifically designed for switching video signals. And I think I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to have this on-screen display. The cost and the performance of it, it's just not really good. Unless I went for some other method. I've seen other guys, they've got an Arduino and it literally just picks up the sync pulse of the video and then pulses its own OSD information on, but it's not as high quality OSD information that goes on there. However, it could, yeah, I might give that a try, because I really like the idea of being able to see the RSSI values there. However, yeah, I don't know. This has taken a couple of days, all the programming and everything, to get it right, and now that I've found it's not really working very well. Yeah. Oh well, shit happens. Let's try some more sideways stuff. It really picks up speed now there's no wind. Yeah, I'm behind that tree, so I'm losing signal. Now before I could do that no problems. Alright. Out of battery. So yeah, it's been RCHacker and thanks for watching. Cheers. Actually, while we were on the subject, I'll just show you where I'm up to. Of course, I've just turned my the sidewinder off and all the radio gear. This is my prototype. There are the two 5.8 gigahertz receivers. There's one antenna there. I've got another antenna on the back. That one's not as good as the top one. And there is my Minim OSD, which was doing all that work. Now, I basically grabbed the existing source code off it and cut it right down and just rewrote rewrote it for what I needed. So the Arduino board in there is just sending information serially to the OSD, which is then putting that RSSI information on there. So yeah, that's my prototype diversity. Of course, once I get my own board made, it's going to get a lot smaller. So yeah, thanks for watching. This has been RCHacker. Catch you next time.